Today we are going to discuss some theorem of kernel phi. Okay, kernel of homomorphism. So the theorem or corollary. Okay, a group homomorphism. A group homomorphism. A group homomorphism. A group homomorphism. Phi from G to G dash. Phi from G to G dash is one if and only if is one if and only if kernel phi equal to singleton identity. If and only if kernel phi equal to singleton identity. Here given that if and only if condition, here corollary says that given function phi, okay, here given function phi, G and G dash are B two group. When function phi upon that this element is, this function is 1 okay, phi is 1 if and only if value of kernel phi means kernel phi contains only one element and which is identity element. Okay, so proof of this theorem, how to prove this theorem if and only if condition. So firstly assume that given function is 1 and then to show kernel phi is equal to identity. Okay, this proof is by contrary, and then reverse way kernel phi equal to identity, and then to show phi from G to G dash is 1. Okay, so let phi from G to G dash be group homomorphism, be group homomorphism. Let phi from G to G dash be group homomorphism. Suppose firstly to suppose that phi is 1. Okay, suppose that phi is 1 and to show that here to show kernel phi which contains only singleton element, singleton identity. Okay, so on contrary suppose that if possible suppose kernel phi which contains kernel phi which is not contain singleton identity, which contains more than one element. Okay, suppose that if possible suppose kernel phi which contains more than one element. So kernel phi which if possible suppose x belongs to kernel phi, such that x is not equal to identity, means kernel phi which contains other elements also which is not identity, which contains with identity and other elements also contains in kernel phi. Okay, here since phi is 1 and x is not equal to identity, which implies that phi of x which is also not equal to phi of e. Okay, phi is 1 function. Given that phi is 1 function, by definition of there, if two elements is not same, then their image is must also not equal to same, and this is equal to if function is 1. Okay, here function is 1 and this x is not equal to identity, which implies that their images must be not equal to. Okay, so but here this x, okay, but here this x is must is chosen from kernel phi. Okay, but x belongs to kernel phi, which implies that by definition of kernel phi, phi of x equal to identity. Okay, phi of x equal to e dash means identity of g dash, and their value is phi of e, because phi is 1. Okay, phi is 1 here phi is 1 1, which implies that G identity of G. Okay, here identity of G, their image must be identity of in G dash in previous theorem, seen in previous theorem. Okay, if E belongs to G is identity, then phi of E is identity of G dash. Okay, here identity of E, identity of G is E, and their image is must be identity in G dash. Here phi of x equal to E dash, and their value is phi of E. But here E dash is not equal to phi of E, because phi of x is not equal to phi of E, and which is contradiction to phi is 1 1. Okay, which is contradiction. This symbol is contradiction, which is contradiction, since phi is homomorphism, and phi of E equal to E dash. Okay, phi of E equal to E dash, and therefore kernel phi is which contains only singleton identity. Means if possible, suppose here we assume contrary kernel phi which contains more than one element other than identity. Okay, so here x belongs to kernel phi we chosen, and lastly here given that here given contradiction, because phi of x equal to identity by definition of kernel phi of x equal to E dash, and E dash is identity of G dash. Okay, E dash is identity of G dash, but phi is 1 1, we get a identity of E dash is image of E in domain. Okay, means phi of E, but here phi of x is not equal to phi of E, which implies that E dash is not equal to phi of E, and this is contradiction to phi is 1 1. Okay, means identity has a image in codomain. Okay, domain of identity, their image must be identity in codomain. Okay, so kernel phi equal to identity. Now conversely suppose kernel phi equal to singleton identity. Okay, conversely choose kernel phi equal to identity to show phi is 1 1. Okay, now to show that phi is 1 1 means consider phi of x equal to phi of y, where x y belongs to G. Okay, then phi of x equal to phi of y, which implies that phi of x into phi of y, and their whole inverse equal to identity, means which is equal to E dash, which is identity of E dash is identity of G dash. Okay, phi of x equal to phi, but phi is homomorphism, which implies that which can be written in the form of phi of x into phi of y inverse equal to identity, since phi of y and their whole inverse equal to phi of y inverse. Okay, so but phi is homomorphism, which can be written in the form of phi of xy equal to E dash, since phi is homomorphism, means phi of x into phi of y inverse equal to phi of x into y inverse, but here phi of x into y inverse equal to E dash. Okay, these two elements and their image is identity in codomain. These two elements x and y inverse. Okay, x and y inverse, these elements in G, because y belongs to G and G is a group, y inverse also exists in G. So x into y, G is a group, x into y inverse is element of G, because G is closed under given binary operation. Okay, so x into y inverse belongs to G, then phi function is applied on that element, their image is E dash, means identity in codomain, therefore by definition of kernel, x into y inverse belongs to kernel phi, because their image is identity in codomain. So by definition of kernel phi, x into y inverse belongs to kernel phi. Okay, because kernel phi contains elements such that their image is identity in G dash. Okay, so using this definition, x into y inverse belongs to E dash, but xy inverse belongs to kernel phi, but kernel phi which contains only singleton element, so x into y inverse equal to identity. Okay, x into y inverse equal to identity, because kernel phi which contains only singleton element identity. Okay, so using this, x into y inverse equal to identity, which implies that x equal to y. Okay, so here consider that phi of x equal to phi of y, and here to show x equal to y, which implies that phi is 1 1. Therefore phi is 1 1, and this is a proof of group homomorphism. Phi from G to G dash is 1 1 if and only kernel phi is identity. Okay, this is a very important result, and very also important for university exam. Okay, so next example, or here one note: isomorphism. A homomorphism phi from G to G dash is called an isomorphism. If phi is 1 1 and onto, that is isomorphism. Isomorphism is nothing but bijective homo. Okay, bijective homomorphism. Okay, means isomorphism means which satisfy three conditions: homomorphism, 1 1 and onto. 1 1 and onto means bijective homomorphism. Okay, so this is definition of isomorphism. That is here star, that is to show phi from G to G dash, is isomorphism. Then we show that firstly one is phi is homomorphism, second show that phi is 1 1, and third show that phi is 1 1, phi is 1 1, or kernel phi equal to singleton identity. Okay, phi is 1 1, or to show kernel phi equal to singleton identity in above theorem. Okay, and phi is onto. Okay, so using these three condition, then phi is, if we satisfy three condition, then phi is homomorphism. Okay, so next example, here compute the example. Compute the indicated from the given homomorphism phi. Compute the indicated. Compute the indicated from the given homomorphism phi. Kernel phi for phi kernel phi for phi from S3 is symmetric group which contains 3 symbols and which contains 6 elements, 6 permutation defined by phi from S3 to Z2 defined by phi of sigma equal to 0 1 when value is 0 is if sigma is even permutation and one value when sigma is odd permutation. Okay, sigma is odd permutation and here to find kernel phi. Okay, so using this map or using this homomorphism phi from S3 to Z2 here defined as function phi of sigma equal to 0 1 where sigma is even permutation. Well, if given permutation sigma is even permutation then their value is 0 and if sigma is odd permutation then their value is 1. So using this result here Z2 as identity is 0. Okay, Z2 as identity is 0 with respect to addition. So using this result kernel phi, value of kernel phi, so using set, okay, set of kernel phi using. So how to prove this? Let phi from S3 to Z2 defined by phi of sigma equal to 0 1 where when 0 is sigma is even permutation. Even permutation means which can be written as a even number of transposition. Okay, and one value is if sigma is odd permutation. Okay, sigma is odd permutation, but we know that definition of kernel phi. What is definition of kernel phi? But we know that kernel phi equal to sigma belongs to S3 here. Okay, here domain is S3 means x belongs to S3 where phi of sigma is the image of permutation is in codomain is identity, but Z2 is identity is 0. Okay, Z2 is identity is 0 since kernel phi, definition of kernel phi is x belongs to G such that phi of x equal to identity here identity is codomain of identity. Phi of x is a image of phi of x is a identity in codomain. Okay, so here sigma belongs to S3, domain is S3, elements of kernel phi which contains element S3. Okay, sigma belongs to S3 such that their image is in identity in codomain. Here Z2 is a group with respect to addition and their identity is 0. Okay, therefore sigma belongs to S3 such that phi of sigma, when phi of sigma is value 0, when value of in given permutation S3 contains 6 element. Okay, so when value of their permutation is identity in codomain if sigma is even permutation. Okay, if sigma is even permutation means kernel phi which contains only even permutation, that is, but set of even permutation is A3. Okay, that is A3. Therefore kernel phi equal to A3 okay, so this one example. Then next example, how to finding then similar way this example. Here kernel phi and phi of 25, kernel phi and phi of 25 for phi from Z to Z7 such that such that phi of 1 equal to 4. Okay, phi of 1 equal to 4. Firstly to find kernel phi. Okay, firstly to find kernel phi, then to find phi of 25. Okay, so how to finding their values? Okay, kernel phi, here kernel phi, here kernel phi equal to, okay, function here given that let function from z to z7 defined by phi of x equal to, sorry, phi of 1 equal to 4, phi of 1 equal to 4. Okay, therefore kernel phi equal to, what is definition of kernel phi? Definition of kernel phi, which contains element x belongs to z such that phi of x equal to identity. Okay, phi of x equal to e dash is identity of z7. Okay, so using this criteria, x belongs to z such that identity of z7 is 0. Okay, 0 belongs to z7. Okay, such that phi of x equal to 0. So using, which implies that x belongs to z such that phi of 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to so on 1, which is up to x times, and their value equal to 0 in z7 to find each elements of z7. Okay, so this is equal to x belongs to z such that phi is here given that homomorphism phi of 1 plus phi of 1 plus so on phi of 1. Okay, and this is up to x times. Okay, this is up to x times and equal to 0 in z7, that is x belongs to z such that x into phi of 1 equal to 0, x into phi of 1 equal to 0. Okay, their value is, why this is written in the form of, here only given that phi of 1 equal to 4. Okay, means only given that 1 has image is 4, not other elements or 2, 3, 4, 5 has not given image here. Okay, so but where kernel phi which contains other than element also. So using this map phi of 1 equal to 4, so phi of x equal to 0 belongs to z7, and x can be written in the form of 1 up to so on. Okay, means this x times x into 1 equal to x. Okay, their value is x into 1. Okay, and this value is equal to x into 1 equal to x is splitting up to 1 plus 1 plus addition of 1 plus 1 plus up to so on x. Okay, so and phi is applied, then phi is homomorphism given that, but phi is homo, therefore we can be separate as the phi of 1 plus phi of 1 up to x times, and their value is 0 in z7. And so choosing this element phi of 1 equal to 0 in z7. Okay, so which is equal to x belongs to z such that value of phi of 1 is 4. Okay, value of phi of 1 is given that 4. So using this, x belongs to x into 4 equal to 0 in z7, and choose the x in that is this set is a form of 4x is congruent to 0 modulo 7. Okay, and choose the x, their value is 4x is congruent to 0 modulo 7, that is x belongs to z such that x is congruent to 0 modulo 7, and which can be written this set x belongs to z by using the divisible definition. 7 divides x and means x belongs to z such that x equal to 7k, where k belongs to set of integer z. Okay, therefore x can be kernel phi which contains element which is multiple of 7. Okay, which is multiple of 7. Therefore kernel phi equal to x equal to 7k means 7k means is multiple of 7 means minus 7, 0, 7, 14, multiple of this, that is 7z. Okay, that is 7z. And then to find phi of 25. Phi of 25 can be written in the form of similar way. This is similar way. Phi of 25, their value is phi of 1 plus 25 can be written in the one form 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus plus so on 1. Okay, up to this is up to 25 times. Okay, and then separately phi of 1 plus phi of 1 plus plus so on phi of 1, because phi is homomorphism, there is value 25 times. Okay, but phi of 1 has the value is 4 up to 25 times. Okay, and then 25 times we get a value is 25 times. Okay, their value is 25 into 4 equal to 100, and therefore phi of 25 equal to 100. Okay, so this is one example. Then next example solve in similar way of home, only to show here given map, using given map to show kernel phi. Okay, so similar way find kernel phi and phi of kernel phi and phi of 18. Okay, phi of 18 for phi from z to z10. Okay, such that phi of 1 equal to 6. Try to solve in home. Okay, so then next example, this is 1, this is 2. Second example, kernel phi and phi of 3 for phi from z10 to z20, such that z10 to z20 such that phi of 1 equal to 8. Okay, similar way solve this example.